To enable voice to text on Xiaomi 17, first of all, we need to open an app where we can of course enter our text. So let's say I'm gonna use the Google Messages in this case. And let's go to any example conversation, and I'm gonna tap on text message field in order to open the keyboard. Once you open the keyboard, you should be able to find this microphone here on the right side. And if you use it for the first time, you will need to grant a permission to, of course, record the audio. But once you tap over here, you should be able to say anything out loud, and then your speech is going to be converted into a text, just like you can see on this screen. Of course, we can tap on the microphone again in order to deactivate the speech to text feature, but that's how we can of course send a message with our voice but in the form of a text. Now in case you don't have this microphone in here, you want to tap on these 4 squares on the left side and then go to the settings over here. Once you open keyboard settings, you need to find voice typing, and then in here make sure that voice typing is enabled, and also you can enable faster voice typing. Leave a like and subscribe.